Monitors with built-in webcams can simplify life for people who need to spend time on video calls but don't want a lot of clutter or devices strewn about their desks. For most people, a dedicated webcam is still the way to ensure a sharp feed in meetings. Still, there's a growing number of high-end productivity-focused monitors built with video conferencing in mind. Using a monitor with an internal webcam eliminates the unsightly clutter of a larger, standalone webcam. If you're a laptop user, there's a good chance you'll get both a bigger screen to look at and better picture quality when on video calls. For monitor shoppers, however, a webcam heaps extra factors onto an already complicated world of specs you need to understand when picking out your next PC display. If you need some guidance, we have some thoughts on picking the best monitors with built-in webcams, including a set of recommendations with awesome options for every kind of PC user. Number 1. Dell S2422HZ. An affordable option that doesn't compromise where it counts, the Dell S2422HZ is ideal for anyone with more modest needs or a smaller space. Technically, you can get a cheaper monitor with a built-in webcam than the Dell S2422HZ, but this smaller counterpart to our top pick offers a better all-around value than you're likely to find in more basic models at a similar price point. The 24-inch, 1920 by 1080 display has basically all the same great features as the Dell S2722DZ, including a 5MP pop-up webcam, 5-watt speakers, and USB-C connectivity with 65 watts of laptop charging power. Dell also offers one of the best warranties around on monitors and includes a premium panel exchange policy that will replace a panel for free if you find even one faulty pixel. Number 2. Dell 27. One of the standout features of this monitor is its built-in 5-megapixel IR camera. Not only does it capture high-resolution video, but it also features a convenient pop-up designed for added privacy when not in use. This camera ensures your video calls are crystal clear and well lit, even in low light conditions, thanks to its infrared capabilities. The Dell C2722D boasts a stunning 27-inch display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. With a full HD resolution, your video conferences will come to life with exceptional clarity. Whether you're sharing presentations, collaborating on projects, or simply enjoying multimedia content, this monitor ensures that every pixel counts. If you're a Microsoft Teams user, you'll appreciate the convenience of the dedicated Teams button on this monitor. With a single press, you can quickly access your Teams dashboard, making it easier than ever to start or join meetings, chat with colleagues, and collaborate seamlessly. Number 3. Asus BE24iC. Say goodbye to external webcams cluttering your workspace. This monitor comes equipped with a high-quality 2-megapixel webcam that's perfect for video conferencing, online meetings, and virtual collaboration. The webcam's adjustable design allows you to easily position it for the best angle. Experience crystal clear audio during your video conferences with the integrated microphone array and stereo speakers. Whether you're listening to a colleague's presentation or participating in a virtual team huddle, you'll hear every detail with precision. Customize your viewing experience with the monitor's height-adjustable stand. Tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust the height to find the perfect ergonomic position for your comfort during extended work hours. The Asus BE24iC boasts a brilliant 23.8-inch Full HD IPS display that delivers vivid and lifelike visuals. With its high-resolution screen, you'll enjoy sharp and crisp images, making it ideal for everything from spreadsheets and documents to multimedia content. Number 4. Asus BE279QSK. Are you ready to elevate your video conferencing and productivity experience to a whole new level? Look no further than the Asus 271080p video conference monitor, BE279QSK. This feature-packed monitor is designed to meet all your professional needs, whether you're working from home, in the office, or streaming content on YouTube. Experience video calls like never before with the built-in 2MP webcam. It offers superb image quality, and with its adjustable design, you can ensure the perfect angle for your face, making every virtual meeting a breeze. Don't compromise on sound quality during your video calls. This monitor boasts a high-quality microphone array and integrated speakers for crisp and clear audio, eliminating the need for external accessories. Enjoy crystal clear visuals with full HD resolution, ensuring that every detail pops with lifelike clarity. Whether you're editing videos or watching your favorite content, the BE279QSK delivers vibrant and sharp images. Number 5. Acer CB242Y. Stay connected with ease using the integrated Full HD webcam. It's adjustable, ensuring you get the perfect angle for video calls, streaming, or content creation. No need for external webcams, everything you need is built right in. The Acer CB242Y comes with an ergonomic stand that allows you to customize your viewing angle, pivot, swivel, and adjust the height to find the perfect position for your comfort and productivity. With a rapid 1 millisecond visual response boost, VRB, response time, motion blur is a thing of the past. Enjoy smooth and blur-free gaming and fast-paced action scenes without any distractions. Gamers, rejoice! AMD FreeSync technology synchronizes your monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card, eliminating screen tearing and providing a seamless and immersive gaming experience.